now that we are fully energized, you may now sit down. So before anything else, let's check your attendance. So when I call your name, say present. So Amoris President, present ma'am. Ikaw Anajin, present ma'am. So very good. So no one is absent for today. So now before anything else, so let's recall first what is our classroom rules. So can you read class? What is our classroom rules? Be on time, listen attentive, raise your hands before speaking, show respect to everyone, your best, clean your area for living. So thank you. So let's keep these rules in mind so that we have a smooth and fun class in our discussion for today. So now, to begin our day, so let's have a quick drill. So all you need to do is, I will show you different pictures. And all you need to do is look carefully and try to guess of what picture shows. Next, first picture. What do you think is ma'am? Nakita sa picture?
Tree planting, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Next. Yes,
Water.
Water. Third.
Landslide.
So landslide. Next.
Bagyo.
No, it's a flood.
Flood.
Last picture is
Soil.
very good class. So now let's have a short review. So all you need to do is I will read some statement. All you need to do is draw a happy face if the statement is correct and sad face if it's not. Can you get one sheet of paper and try to answer this? And after you answer, I will collect your paper and I will give you 3 minutes to answer. So, for the question number 1 is, weathering is the process of moving rock particles from one place to another place. So for you, what is the best answer? It is a happy face or sad face? I will give you 3 minutes to answer. You may now start. So it's time, class. You now pass your paper. So thank you. So kinsa may ganahan og game diri? So do you want prizes? Yes. Yes. So the mechanics of the game is, I know. So the our game for today is called Scrabble game. So the mechanics of the game is, can you read everyone? The class is divided into 2 groups. The teacher will show scrambled words on the screen related to the lesson. Each group will guess the scrambled words as quickly as possible. Third, the first group will complete all the words correctly wins the challenge. So this is the group 1 and this is the group 2. Are you ready? Yes. Yes, ma'am. So next, first scrambled word. What is this? Yes, group 2. Soil man. So let's check if your answer is correct. Yes, group 2 got the correct answer. So that now guys. Thanks. So next. So what is this? Yes, group 2. So let's check if the group 2 got the correct answer. Yes, very good, group 2. So for the last word is, what do you think is?
Plants.
So let's check if the group 1 get the correct answer. Yes, plants. So get your reward. So good job everyone. Now, so let's have a group activity. So I will divide you into 3 groups. For the group 1 is, you will identify what are the causes of soil erosion, and group 2 identify the effects of soil erosion, and group 3 suggest ways to prevent soil erosion. So kind of is that it? Yes, ma'am. 1, 2, 3,
4.
5. So I will give you 10 minutes to niya dapat dikali ato ang pinga ng atong solar erosion for the future generation. So now, we have done in our discussions. Now we have role play activity. So the mechanics of this role play is the class will work together to perform a role play. You should focus on showing the causes and effects of soil erosion, ways to prevent or reduce soil erosion, plus how the community can take action. So I will give you 1 day to practice your role play, and after that you will perform your role play in class, and I will read based on your performance. Now show what you know. So let's check if nakahibaw ba mo or